Did you know about link validation? Sometimes if you're rolling content from Blackboard to Canvas or even Canvas to Canvas, you can have problems with your links. And Canvas provides a tool that lets you check your links before you launch a class. So let's take a look at that. First thing you want to do in your course is go down to Settings. And then over here on this right-hand side, you'll see where it says Validate Links in Content. If you click on that, the first time it'll actually run the link validator. And it may take a few minutes to run the link validator, but it'll bring back a report. And the report will actually show where the links are bad. So this is an example of a page where links are bad. It's got this link here. You'll notice here that it's got 3 O's in the Google. So I must have just typed that wrong. Or perhaps this link right here was a link to a file that I've since deleted from my course. So I need to go back in and put that file in. Here you see that there are links to other courses. Maybe I know that I want to link out to those other courses, so I don't have to change that. But if I want to change these bad examples, I can click there and it takes me right to that page. Once I'm in that page, of course, I can go into Edit and I can look at this link. So let's go ahead and highlight this and click on the link tab. And there I go. I can see that it's got an extra O. So I'm going to update that link. Now this link right here is missing a file. So what I would need to do is go out and re-add that file and make the link valid again. Once you fix your links, you can rerun the validator and you will know that all your links work in your course. I hope that helps.